Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming NFC is enabled on your phone. Open Settings and turn NFC on. Next, add a card to Google Pay, use the camera for speed, then verify with your bank. Once added, make Google Pay the default contactless app so taps go to the right wallet. Do these immediate steps now. Enable NFC, add a card, set default. This gets you to the terminal quickly and avoids interruptions when you try the first tap. Once done, approach the terminal and wake your screen. Hold the phones back near the reader within about 4 centimeters. You'll often need to authenticate fingerprint, face, or PIN, depending on the purchase amount and your bank's rules. After the tap, look for visual confirmation on both your phone and the terminal, such as a green check or beep. If it fails, try realignment or briefly turn NFC off and on. Small movements matter for the antenna to line up. Finish by reviewing the transaction inside Google Pay. Confirm card, amount, time, and merchant to catch errors early. Save or export receipts if you need proof, and use your bank app to dispute charges when necessary. If a tap won't complete, reboot the phone and try the payment again. Sometimes a simple restart clears NFC lockups. If problems persist, remove and re-add the card, then contact your bank. Many issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.